Whether in Syria, Libya, or Azerbaijan, Turkey's combat drones have scored high-profile success that Ankara hopes to use in its quest to become a premier exporter of aerial vehicles. With combat abilities similar and interchangeable to high-end drones produced by major countries, affordability, high success rate, these all make the Turkish drones highly desired in today's drone market. In today's video, we will discuss the newest imposing drone produced by the Turkish defense industries, the Bayraktar Akinci. I'm your host Isef, and welcome to Defense and Geopolitics. The Bayraktar Akinci, an unmanned combat aerial vehicle, was developed by the drone magnate Baykar. This cutting-edge combat drone entered the inventory of the Turkish security forces on 29th of August 2021. The Akinci is longer and wider than the Bayraktar TB2 and will perform strategic tasks. It has a 65 feet wingspan, is designed to have an impressive 24 hours of endurance and to fly as high as 40,000 feet. This drone is very similar to the US MQ-9 Reaper, which has a maximum altitude of 60,000 feet and an endurance of 12 hours compared to the Akinci's 24 hours. The Akinci will carry a variety of weaponry, including the same smart micro-munitions. It can also reportedly fire Turkish-built, within visual range and beyond visual range, air-to-air missiles. The Akinci can even launch Turkish-built Rocketsan SOM long-range air-launched cruise missiles that can hit targets up to 150 miles away. All of this makes it a very impressive weapons platform. Perhaps even more impressive are the drone's indigenous radars. Ankara sees the Akinci as its main aerial vehicle for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and command-control communication tasks in the next decade. The drone will be equipped with indigenously developed systems, including a multi-role active electronically scanned array radar, an SAR/GMTR radar, a wide area surveillance system, electronic warfare, an electronic and signal intelligence suite, and beyond line-of-sight communication systems. The sum which makes the Akinci the best ever ESTR C3 asset the Turkish military ever had. This combination of advanced radars and the multitude of weapons the Akinci can carry certainly make it a highly formidable piece of military hardware. This weapon system could be quite effective in detecting and destroying individual land targets, such as enemy howitzers or mortars or special equipments like electronic warfare stations. Turkey has made impressive progress in drone production in recent years. Turkish drones have also seen combat and proven themselves formidable opponents. Its Bayraktar TB2s and TAI Anka-S drones devastated the Syrian regime ground forces during clashes in Idlib province in February-March 2020. Turkish drones also gave decisive air support to Turkey's ally in the Libyan civil war and successfully guided airstrikes that assassinated senior PKK leaders over the last 2 years. With analyzing all the data, you can say that the Bayraktar Akinci drone is indeed impressive. With its affordability and combat abilities similar to that of drones produced by major countries, this drone is highly desirable in today's drone market. Again, here are some quick facts about the Bayraktar Akinci. This is the end of the video. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. And tell us in the comments below what would you like to see next. Subscribe to be tuned, and see you next time.